Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has extended a deadline for a voluntary armed surrender for another 7 days until March 6. In a press release, the governor said that upon expiry of the 7 days deadline for a voluntary surrender of arms, there has been demand from both valley and hill areas to extend the period for surrender. He added that he has decided to extend the deadline until 4 p.m. of March 6 after considering the request and also appeal to the people to surrender illegal arms to the nearest police station, outpost or security force camp within the deadline. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla further informed that during this period, no punitive action will be taken against individuals who voluntarily surrender weapons. However, any person found in possession of illegal arms after the given deadline will face legal action as per law. Furthermore, police and security forces would also take up extensive operations after the set deadline. It may be mentioned that Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla had previously issued the order on February 20 to surrender arms till yesterday. Arambai Tengol has also handed over large cache of arms and ammunitions along with other warlike items to the authority yesterday. Large cache of weapons were also surrendered to police stations across the valley. However, the number of weapons surrendered at Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district are very low compared to the valley districts.